Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to sign up for an online banking account on Metro Bank. Metro Bank is a retail and commercial bank operating in the United Kingdom. Metro Bank helps with checking, saving and educating on the latest products to make life easier. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a metrobankonline.co.uk and press enter. Here at the official web page of Metro Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Now here you can go with any of the account type, that is either personal or business and commercial banking. As I am going with the personal, you need to click on personal banking. Welcome to Metro Bank Online Banking. Here, as we are going to get a new enrollment, you need to click on the link given, that is new to online banking, register here. Now here you need to scroll a little down. There you can see register for online banking. You click on it. For the registration in the online banking account of Metro Bank, you go in for providing your 12-digit customer number. Now, if you forgot your customer number, then you can click on the link that is forgotten your customer number. Then go in for further instruction that has been provided. Then you go in for providing your last 4 digits of your mobile number. Then you go in for entering your magic word. This is the code that you chose or received when you opened your account. It's between 8 and 12 characters long. Now, after you fill up all the details, you need to click on continue, where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Metro Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Metro Bank. Thank you.